Lesnar. I got Roman Reigns. I got I got a steel chair. I got a chair that we need to fix. And I got some things. I got a microphone. And I got the bottom ring. Let's build it up.
Now for the rope. This is the hard part.
I am a boo-boo and I always come to my house.
Start from the bottom.
How do you do that?
So if Roman Reigns gets hurt, like his leg isn't working, he's gonna use that crutch. Ouch! 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 And then this is. Mohib, be careful. There's a phone there. Challenge is, let's see how long Maaz holds on to this ring. How soon does he destroy it? That's the big challenge.
Here comes the match. Everything Roman Reigns is gonna win, give me a thumbs up. Everything Brock Lesnar is gonna win, give me a thumbs down.
Let's see if he does the Superman punch. He's getting ready to do the Superman punch. And boom. Alright.
1, 2.
Oh, he kicked out.
German suplex!
Oh, another time. One more time. Boom. Oh, Superman punch again.
No, that's not it. He did a kick.
Okay. Whoa.
I'm gonna get something. What do you think he's gonna get?
He's gonna get a table.
He's getting a microphone.
Microphone. Oh no.
Bye. 1, 2, 3.
The winner. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.